Since our last camping trip, which was McGregor Point Provincial Park, we had a few issues with the trailer and our tow vehicle. I had to change the thermostat in the fridge. The fridge stopped working. Freezer's working, fridge stopped working. So that was like a $27 part, got that fixed. I had to change the carbon monoxide propane detector. It was 5 years. It basically had passed its life. Had been beeping a few times and letting us know that it was pretty much done. So we ordered that. It was about $120, 5-minute install. Got it done. Then the water pump went on our Highlander. So a 2015 Highlander, have 249,000 kilometers on it now. All that commuting to work and camping racks it up, I guess. So, but everything's been fixed. We're all ready to go. So we're on our way. It's about 10:30. We should arrive there probably just after 2 once we stop for gas. It's going to be raining there today, so I'm probably going to be getting there in the rain and setting up in the rain, which seems to happen more often than not. But it's a part of camping. You got to deal with it. So anyway. Our first stop is McEwen gas station in Collingwood. It's on the south end of Collingwood. And then we'll head to Sauble Beach from there. So we got set up. We're me and Kenzie are just relaxing right now. Got here around 2:30. Got a big storm coming in around 6. Supposedly thunderstorms, hail, chance of tornado. Probably not a tornado, but it's always a chance. So we're gonna have some early dinner and probably have a quiet night if it's gonna rain the way it's supposed to. As we came in here, we made a little mistake. Went straight to the West Campground. Forgot about the East Campground to get the dump station. Took a walk over later, drove over, and found a dump station. It's not even marked when you drive into the East Campground, but when you pull in, you turn right, follow it down for a little bit, turn right again, and it takes you down to the dump station. If you're looking to rent a canoe or a kayak, a pedalboard, or a pedal boat, they're available on the right side after you cross the bridge. The staff there are very helpful. They were actually even going in the water to help people get in and out. I've noticed a lot more electric vehicles in the provincial parks this year. If you have one, there is a EV charging station in the West Campground next to the Comfort Station. There is also a large parking lot in the West Campground. So if you're early, it allows you to park there. There's also room for trailers, quick access down to the falls. There's also a tetherball, beach volleyball, horseshoes, a playground, and a basketball court, all within walking distance from anywhere in the park. The entrance to the East Campground is directly across the road. In my opinion, if I was trailer camping, I would prefer the west campground. If I was in the tent camping, then I would do the east campground, probably between 122, 123, out to 146 to 147. The entrance to the Sauble Trail is located in the east campground between sites 139 and 140. It is a 2.5 kilometer trail. So we just got ourselves launched. We're basically just down from the park. It's Sauble Beach Road, and I think it's Lakeshore North or something like that. And we're going to start heading towards the falls.
Feel the wind, watch the river run, and the sun would always shine. When we sat there, you and I, river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry.
So I just ran into someone fishing. Asked them how long to the falls. They told me about 40 minutes. So it's not bad. So about 15 minutes ago I was half an hour away, and now I'm 40 minutes away. So I'm not sure if I'll ever see these falls. It seems as I paddle towards them, they seem to be getting further away. Well, surprise, surprise. I think the guy that told me 40 minutes probably said 4 minutes, and I can actually see the falls. So it looks like we made it back to the boat launch. I think it's around here somewhere that we launched from. I was going to go a little further and go out on the Huron, but it really seems to pick up. So I'm not sure if I'm going to go around that bend, because I think if we go around the bend up here, then I'm exposed to the wind. Yeah, I'm going to go in. Kenzie's had enough too. So we just got back from kayaking. I kayaked pretty much all the way down the river from Lake Huron to the falls. I did pass another boat launch when it was a gravel road, and I believe that's the one the park told me about. So I'm going to see if I can find it on the way back to the park. Next to the park, on the north side of the bridge, is the Call of the Wild Country Store. They sell groceries, snacks, baked goods, coffee, ice cream, firewood, ice, camping, and fishing supplies. If you're looking to get out of the park for a little bit, there's Sauble Beach, which is just 5 kilometers south of the park. And besides hanging out on the beach, there's also the Sauble Speedway. There's a golf course, there's an aerial park, arcades, restaurants, and shopping. It's time for sightseeing. Let's start off with our site number 6. It's an electric site in the West Campground. Seemed private when you first go in. To get near the back, then it's very exposed to your neighbors on the left and the right. You can hear the falls, but due to the embankment at the back, it's fenced in and has no access. The next one, site number 26, is not a bad site. It's an electric site. It is next to the comfort station if you like being next to the comfort station. Then there's site 142, a tiered site back in the back of the East Campground. Kind of interesting. Then the next one is site 127, is a non-electric site. East Campground has a view of the river, but no access. I thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe. It's always great meeting people at the park that watch our videos, and actually this year we've met a few. So hope to meet more, and we still have a few more trips left this year.